Anyway, I want them did it.
Alright, we're here with coach of the team coming out on the losing end today. Coach, speak to us about today's unfortunate performance.
Well, basically, we always knew it was a uphill task against Kingston College and the stadium in this field, because this field is a very large field and we are suffering a lot of injuries. So I knew it was going to be an uphill task.
Alright, coach, coming into this game, you have expressed some confidence. You know, what might have happened during this game to shake that confidence that Jose MARTI seemed to have had beforehand?
The injuries. Yeah, we are facing a lot of injuries, especially to our goalkeeper. And you know that is the strength of the team.
Yeah.
Because basically he didn't even warm up.
And in spite of those injuries, he still managed to put in a respectable performance barring a few errors. Just speak to us once more about his importance to the team and how good of a player he is.
Well, basically he's one of our rock in the team in terms of motivation, in terms of keeping, in terms of getting the guys to training. So he's always there, he's always putting out an effort.
Alright, coach, besides the fact that a few of your key players would have been injured, tell us about the technical or tactical breakdown that might have caused this collapse today.
Okay, we are playing against the #1 team, the defending champion.
Yeah.
We are playing against the best forward in the league. We basically give him too much space, and I guess that's what's caused us the game. And we are playing too high, and they are a running team in this sense. So we gave them too much space.
Alright, coach, obviously you guys have been eliminated from the Manning Cup, but you're still in with a shot to play for the Walker Cup. Tell us about some things that you could have taken from this game that you will apply to your season going forward.
Well, basically I would apply maybe to utilize the spaces some more and get the guys in that formation that they don't chase like that, or they don't give players so much space. So we would minimize all spaces in this sense.
Do you think this performance though would deflate the guys and cause them not to play very well going forward?
I guess not, because no one expects us to be in the second round, and that's a big motivation for us going forward.
Alright, coach, thanks for talking to us.
Most welcome.